2023. Hope all you having a great day today, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm doing two big mods to my new 2020 Mustang GT. So today I'm getting an X-Pipe installed, and it's gonna make my car sound amazing. I'm also getting Eibach Sportline lowering springs to get that perfect stance for my Mustang GT. It's also day 11 of ownership of my new Mustang, and it's been absolutely amazing. And before we do these two mods, I have to head to Pep Boys to install my new snow tires. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video today, and let's get going. Alright, just made it to Pep Boys. Gonna get my winter tires put on. My car is absolutely filthy. I've owned my car for about maybe 11 days now. It's rained every single day I've owned this car so far. And even today, it's completely wet outside, raining. And honestly, this time of the year in Illinois is always like this. Alright guys, just left Pep Boys. It took them almost 2.5 hours to put on snow tires. Not sure what was going on there, but my two packages arrived at my house just now. My lowering springs and my X-Pipe for my Mustang GT. And the snow tires I have on, they're 255/40 by 19. So same size as the stock tires we just took off. Right now I'm gonna drop these tires off, get the box for the lowering springs and the X-Pipe, head to my local performance shop and get that stuff installed. Alright, back at home now. Brand new snow tires on the Mustang. And they're same size, 255/40 by 18. These were the stock tires right here. And right here, I have the X-Pipe and the Eibach Sportline lowering springs. Alright, so I packed up my Eibach lowering springs and my X-Pipe. We'll head to the performance shop right now and get these installed. And there was another package that delivered today that came early. It's a small package, but a big modification, which I'll show you guys in the next video. And from factory, you can see pretty big wheel gap. Not too bad though, compared to the S197s, but the Eibach Sport lines will definitely make this a lot lower. It should make this pretty much flush with the 255/40 tire, but we'll see how it is. And that's the last time my startup's gonna sound like that. Alright, downshift to third and go. Gear pull.
Many hours later.
Alright guys, it's a couple hours later now with my wife Steph. She's driving me to pick up my Mustang GT, and I'm excited. It's gonna sound awesome with that off-road X-Pipe and lowered on those Eibach Sportline lowering springs. Alright, shout out to Popular Muffler and Brakes in Arlington Heights, Illinois. And damn, it is dark out here, but my car is slammed right now. Take a look at that, wow. And the springs are still settling too. Alright, we'll do a couple revs and we'll do the first drive with my X-Pipe and my Eibach lowering springs. car sounds so good right now. Oh my god. Holy shit. The car screams now. Night and day difference. Oh my god. Car is more free flowing right now. Do a quick downshift. Just the X-Pipe by itself, taking out that huge resonator, made a huge difference on how the car sounds. Man, this was a good first mod. Okay, first pull. Oh my god. It sounds so good. I already ordered an axle back exhaust and long tube headers, which is gonna make this car scream. Night and day difference. Alright guys, my first look at my Mustang GT on the Eibach Sportline lowering springs. The car is slammed, look at that. Wow, huge difference. Take a look at that. And keep in mind the springs are still settling as well. The back is definitely lower than the front, no doubt. Lowering a car makes a huge difference. It literally transformed the car. I can't wait to get my aftermarket Japanese wheels, get some meaty tires, get some 305s or 315s on here. Alright, so I'm in this empty business park right now, all the way in the back. And hopefully this light is enough for you guys to see the Mustang. Take a look at that, it looks so good lowered. Honestly, lowering any car makes it look 10 times better. And I got a lot done today. Got my snow tires put on, X-Pipe, and the car lowered. Alright, we'll do a couple revs and we'll get out of here. Revs outside the car were so loud. Let's see how it sounds in the cabin. That was 4,000, 6,000, 5,000. Spin the tires a little bit. Let's do a quick burnout. That's enough. Let's head home and we'll end the video there. Alright guys, just got back home and holy shit. The X-Pipe made a huge difference on how the car sounds, and honestly I love how it sounds right now. I'm kind of nervous for my axle back and the long tube headers, but I'm also really excited as well. It's going to make it sound so good. And with the Eibach Sportline lowering springs, it lowered it a lot, which is honestly great. I drove around for about half an hour. So far, I don't notice any difference in the drivability. We'll see how it is over the next couple weeks, see if I feel any big difference. But either way, it made the car look phenomenal, and honestly, it sounds so good right now. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Leave a comment down below what you guys think of the sound of my Mustang GT. I'll put a couple clips of how it sounds before and after so you guys can get a comparison. It really opened the car up. You can really hear this 5-liter Coyote engine. And I do respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.